Hi there. The end of the financial year is nearly here, and if you haven't done so already, it's a great time to do some tax planning. We know a lot of businesses are doing it really tough at the moment, and there are actually a small number that are doing quite well, which is great. So in these uncertain times, you might be wondering, is there still a need to do tax planning? Today, I just wanted to share with you a few reasons why you might still get good value from carrying out tax planning this year. Reason number one is just knowing where you stand. And I often hear business owners say that they want to know how much of the money in the bank is actually theirs. And right now, managing your cash flow is probably more critical than ever. So being able to plan in advance for tax instalments and tax bills, or even vary down instalments if they are too high, can really help you with your cash flow and planning. Remember too that not having much cash around doesn't necessarily mean that there's not going to be tax to pay, particularly if your cash may be tied up in your working capital, so your debtors or your stock, or in principal loan repayments. Reason number two is having information available to make business decisions. This might be around having to upgrade plant and equipment and whether or not you do that before the end of the financial year or after the end of the financial year. And keeping in mind things like the instant asset write-off threshold, which is due to drop from $150,000 down to just $1,000 from the 1st of July 2020. Having information available to help you decide on the timing of those transactions or the amount of them can be very useful. The third reason is identifying ways to improve your business. So tax planning is just another opportunity to understand how your business is performing and look for ways to improve things like your profitability and your cash flow. And this can be really helpful, particularly when you're planning for the new financial year, which is just around the corner. So tax planning is just one way in which we help our clients become financially independent. If this is something that interests you, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you.